Meaning of hilt.
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 Hilt. Hilt refers to the handle of a weapon such as a sword or dagger. It typically provides a comfortable grip for the wielder and serves to protect the hand from the blade. In many cases, hilts are adorned with decorative elements, such as pommels or crossguards. The design and materials of a hilt can vary widely, depending on the culture and time period in which it was created. Overall, the hilt is an essential component of a melee weapon that contributes to its functionality, aesthetics, and overall effectiveness in combat.